Hey guys, I'm Sean Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're doing Think for Yourself by the Beatles from the Rubber Soul album. I'm doing every track on the album, so this is what I'm up to right now. Let's take a listen to the beginning, see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All right, still don't quite have my voice yet back for singing. But some cool instrumental parts in this one. So we have our free part 1 that we're going to do right here. And if you want to learn the whole thing, it's on my website, webpianoteacher.com, with a membership. You can also download my sheets for this and all the other songs and everything I've done the past 16 years for YouTube on my website, webpianoteacher.com. So here we go. We use letters instead of, letters on a whiteboard instead of music notation for people who can't or don't want to read music. And in fact, it kind of lends itself better to this style of playing, I think, to teach you guys how to play your favorite songs. So we start with this G bass, boom, 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 G, G, G sharp, A. I like doing the octave. You could do this single note. But I just like the octave better. So maybe the octave and maybe the thumb there, but 2, 3, 4. So the octave, and then as you do the thumb, G, B, D, F. That's a G7 chord. So always think about your chords. I try to call those out whenever I can. There's not that many of them. And if you learn to start recognizing them, it makes music make sense to you instead of just copying me and having no idea what you're doing, okay? So G, B, D is a G chord. F is the 7th of the chord. It's in root position, so it's real easy to look at and see that it's a G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So it's kind of like you're playing drums. Bum, bum, dun, dun, and that snare drum. Dun, tick, dun, dun. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, triplet. All right, so now we have a quarter note triplet. So a triplet is going to, you normally, people think, oh, it's faster, but not really. You kind of have to stretch triplets, especially quarter note triplets, okay? So stretch it out. Da, 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 G, G, G sharp, A, okay? So it's from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, bum, 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 bum. I like the octave. Da, 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 da. So we have A minor, and then the right hand, A, C, E, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the chords are kind of like the snare drum, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that little bass sound, I don't know what the instrument is they're using for that, but it's very important in the song. It serves as a doubling a lot of times of the bass line, but it's a very important melody down there. So E, D, so 1, 2, 3, 4, E, D. And they even go, brown, brown, kind of a flick. So if you can do this on that E, I like to go D with my 5th finger, and then E with an octave with 4 or 5. That sounds more like it. All right, so there's our little snippet for you for YouTube. If you like it, again, webpianoteacher.com. Learn the whole thing as a member. Download the sheets. Have a great time learning the whole album. It's so fun to learn to play a whole album. This is one that I think a lot of people could do because none of the songs are like really hard, so definitely doable and, really take you back. Hope you guys had fun. Talk to you later.